Welcome back. We've got an exciting one today. What we've got here, Backbox delete and a new rear diffuser. So this one's from Pipe Dynamics, yeah. And then we've also got these big bad boys, the 4-inch tips, which look huge. I'm hoping I like them when they're fitted and don't have to buy some new ones. But what we need to do now anyway is remove this rear diffuser and chop the back box off and get everything fitted. Hopefully it's nice and simple to do. Yeah, let's get this car up and get cracking. Okay, so that's removed. Removed it whilst it's on the car. I have heard of people removing the bumper to remove the diffuser, but you don't have to. We've got 2 8mm here, 1, 2, 3 10mm, 2 more 8mm there, and literally just pull it off, nice and easy. And then now what we've got to do is we've got to cut this joint. I believe it's around here, around this area somewhere. So the back box is cut off, got that on there. What it seems, there's a line there where that pipe looks like it should stop. Mine stops just before it. Them brackets are a fucking ball ache to get back on. Apart from that, it's a straightforward job. I'd probably say about an hour max if it's the first time you're doing it. But obviously if you do a couple, probably take you about half an hour. It's on. They don't look too bad now that they're on the car, to be honest. But the Kits UK rear diffuser went on nice and easy. No big dirty gaps, that's just normal. It needs a bit of pushing in there. It's the same with that side, you can just see the clips sticking out a little bit, just got to push it in. Clips are in. Sorry, the brackets are in. I've got a feeling I need to cut this down a bit more because that side it's touching the diffuser a bit too much compared to that side. So I'll level that out whenever I get time now. But yeah, I'll do the first start up now that I recorded. Yeah, so starting it up, revving it, I couldn't hear much difference. I guess I'll see when I start driving it. But yeah, that's how it looks for now. Quite happy with that, to be honest. The 4-inch tips definitely look good on that. I thought they were actually too big, but now they fit quite nice. Just got to adjust that left side over here, got to adjust that one there. Push the rear diffuser in a bit more from the corners. And yeah, it's nice, easy install, to be honest. Took a couple of attempts to cut down the rear back box. Obviously, just get a bit scared, cutting too much off, and then you're fucked, aren't you? But anyway, thank you for watching, and that's it for this one.